Hi, good morning everyone. It's Sunday and it's the first time I'm recording myself talking to you. This morning I would like to show you how to make a very simple basic waffle, but this recipe requires us to do egg separation. So let's start making, yeah? So we need to weigh some of the ingredients first. Let's see what we need. Okay, let's weigh 200 grams of plain flour. Then we need 2 tablespoons of sugar. So it's pretty early. 2 tablespoons of sugar. Okay. We need 3 teaspoons of baking powder. 3 teaspoons of baking powder. Yep. Half a teaspoon of salt. Half a teaspoon of salt. Yeah, we need buttermilk. We need 300 grams. We are going to make our own buttermilk, of course. So we will mix 300 grams of milk to 1.5 teaspoons of white vinegar. Weigh 300 grams of milk. Alright. And we are going to mix in 1.5 teaspoons of vinegar. 1.5. 1.5. And then let's mix together. Yeah. Let's mix this. Set this buttermilk aside for a while. Yeah, let's mix this. All the dry ingredients, let's mix well together. Okay. Let's bring back our buttermilk. We're going to add in the buttermilk. Alright. Okay, we also need 110 grams of cooking oil. 110 grams. Yep. Yep. So that's all. Yeah, and 2 egg yolks. Let's separate the eggs now. Okay, let's put this aside. Okay, the egg yolks we are going to add into our batter here, and the egg whites we are going to put inside the Thermomix to mix, to whisk. Okay, so let's separate the eggs. Okay, let me take down this one. Okay, 1 egg yolk. Put another one. Another egg yolk. Alright, let's wash our hands. We are going to insert our butterfly inside and whisk, and we are going to whisk the egg white for let's see, for 3 minutes at speed 4. Let's see first, okay? At speed 4. Okay, while the egg white is whisking, we are going to place our batter here. Okay. If the batter is a little lumpy, it is okay. Okay, so our egg whites is done. Alright, so we are going to push this aside and folding the egg whites to the yellow batter. Alright, let's grab a spatula. We are just going to just folding this. There it is. Done. Yes, we need to use this. Let's, so 3 minutes is almost up. Let's see. Beautiful. Let's grab a plate and remove this. See? Alright, so let's continue with the others. Alright, and we are going to bake this again for another 3 minutes. Alright, see you back. Okay, another one. Beautiful. Right. So let's make another one. Okay, let's close this back. 3 more minutes. See? Okay. Okay, our third piece. Okay, again, it's beautiful. Alright, see? Okay, so let's make the fourth piece. Okay. Another 3 minutes.